Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a DMC DeLorean, and this is a treasure hunt in this box, or in this case. So I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So this time they made it as a rolling metal series. So again I'm saying this rolling metal series is bare metal. So one of the guy who started arguing me in the comments, this is not bare metal, it is kind of some special alloy. That dude didn't know that it is just Zamak, and Zamak is zinc, and some, it is alloy, I agree. So it is originally pronounced as Zamak, ZAMAK. Now it is, I think, pronounced as Zamak, ZAMAC. So it is a mix of kind of lot of materials. And again, so this one I just bought it because it's a treasure hunt, and I wanted to see how they did the Zamak edition. So again, Zamak on top of it, clear coat. So let's unbox it and see how this one looks in hand. You can see the treasure hunt logo here. Okay, let's put this out. So here is the casting itself. Honestly, this doesn't look really nice. So we did unbox the DMC dealer in a matte blue that looked really beautiful. This one looks like shit, honestly. So I know Zamak editions are always like this because it's just bare metal on top of that it's painted. And I'm honestly not a fan of Zamaks because see, it takes away the immersion of a car. See, you can see the cars here. It looks really beautiful because of the colors popping up. Specifically Lamborghinis, they usually do crazy colors. Even the cars here, which is this are all of this are by Maisto. Even this one has some beautiful colors to it. Whether it's a matte one or a glossy one, that has beautiful colors to it, and it looks, it that helps in not damaging your actual car, that metal of the car. So even in a toy car or even in a real car, so the paint job protects your actual car. So some people just do PPF on top of it. And yeah, so let's see. Here's a treasure hunt logo. There is, yeah, it is mentioned as DMC here. Even that is not clear. And as usual, there are no headlight details. It is just engraved into it. Okay, they painted the tail lights. I'm not sure why they are painting the tail lights for these cars. So if you are a modder and if you are planning to paint this one, it is the best choice for you. So the chassis is fully plastic. It has some detailing to it, which is really nice, and including the exhaust detail here, as you can see. So the casting is actually a nice casting. My only gripe here is they didn't paint anything here. Just to make it as a treasure, and they made it. Maybe they started this new rolling metal series and they went with it. So it has some irregularities here. If you touch it, you can see a lot of bumps here. Maybe the clear coat on top of it just stayed there, I guess. So this part is plastic. This is fully metal. This is chassis is plastic. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll good. And both the wheels wobble a lot. You can see that in the car's body. I need to push it with a little bit of force, then it rolls really well. But overall, it's a nice casting, specifically from a collector's point of view. It is really a good casting. So, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.